Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in the previous video, we saw how we can add guardrail throughout our alignment with the help of functions that allows us to create alignment and profile from our existing corridor. Okay, so now we will see how we can add Jersey barrier as well using the same method. Okay, so right now, let's see first here, we created last time guardrail for this location as well, but however, this one is a bus levy, so here we can't put it. So maybe we just, based on whatever norms you have from your traffic safety management office, you can, remove it and add it. We can add with the same alignment here that we created for the guardrail, we can add Jersey barrier as well. Okay, so let's locate first let's locate a position where we're gonna add. Let's say somewhere here, 500 to maybe 580, 600. Okay, I think it appears to be a perfect location. Let's verify from here. 500 to 600 something. Okay, so 500 here, it's 3 meter. Okay, you see from here 460 is 3 meter plus. Okay, so 460 till this location 580, we add a guardrail. So we will use the same alignment and same profile to add the guardrail, but we need a different assembly. Okay, so let's do it. So for that, what we're gonna do is we gonna create a new assembly. Okay, so create assembly, and for this I will call this Jersey barrier. Okay, Jersey barrier, and say okay, I will keep everything default. Okay, here, and again I will choose. I have already shown you how you can create a custom shape of Jersey barrier or guardrail or anything from a polyline. Okay, as long as it's a polyline, you can create it. So you can watch the videos in the description and learn how to do it. For this tutorial, I will just use a simple Jersey barrier that we have here in the default template tool palette. Okay, so I will just click on this basic Jersey barrier here from on the basic screen. Okay, so basic Jersey barrier, and then I will use it here. Okay, hit escape, and now we have the assembly. Okay, okay, cool. You can even move this to a certain location. Okay, you see right now here. So we did it. Now what we're gonna do is we gonna just add, we're gonna just grab this corridor that we have for guardrails. So we drag this, and now from where to where we need it. So we're gonna split this region. Okay, so we need from 460 to 580. Okay, so from here. Okay, so here I will just snap to it, and 580. Okay, so it was still this location. So I will split this. So how we split, manipulate the corridor. Again, I have a video on that as well. You can go and check on my channel. Okay, so it's being split. Now, as this corridor is selected, we go to the corridor properties and into the parameters here. Now, what we have, let me, when you are selected to that particular part, it gets highlighted. This is the part we have. You can rename it to make it more useful for you. Okay, and here the assembly right now is guardrail. I'm gonna change it to Jersey barrier. Okay, okay, and say okay, and say apply, and rebuild the corridor. Okay, so, and say okay. Now on that particular location, we will have our our Jersey barrier. So don't worry about if you see these. This is just about the frequency. You increase the frequency and you can fulfill it. Or when you are selected in this particular, as a matter of fact, here at the when you have a beam, there is a detail, specific detail that you have for Jersey guardrails that you have to provide. So it will go into a concrete and then it will end here, and then the Jersey barrier will start. Okay. So that's about the detail. Detail are different based on your location and your specification. Okay, so let's see this in the dry mode. We go to the dry mode and then just click on this particular. I will say alignment. I will say ETW and say okay. And let's see it. Okay, here we have this. It was a bit far, so we start the play. We start to play. Let's see where it is. I'm gonna or it's, yeah, it's there, but the size is, the size height of, here you can see it, here it's there. Okay, maybe we go back a little bit, here you can see the, okay, let me hit control Z to back. Okay, here you can see the jersey barrier, but the default one appears to be very small. The default guardrail is very big in the Civil 3D, and the jersey barrier is very small. The jersey barrier appears to be of the good size, but however, this particular guardrail is large. So what you can do is you can use another assembly for this particular, okay, and you can create from a polyline also, okay, so that will be custom. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you learned something new from this video, and like, share, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.